Types of international business: counter trade and direct investment. Counter trade is a system of exchange in which goods and services are used as payment rather than money. Direct investment is a practice by companies in order to benefit from cheaper labor, cost, tax exemption, and other privileges in that foreign country. Franchising and multinational firms. Franchising is a practice of licensing another firm's business model as an operator. Multinational firms, with improved communication and technology, corporations have been able to expand into multiple countries. Offshoring and licensing. Offshoring, a company is moving a business process from one country to another. Licensing gives a licensee certain rights or resources to manufacture and or market a certain product in a host country. Outsourcing and joint ventures. Outsourcing is when a company moves business functions to developing foreign countries to reduce cost. Joint ventures is where two or more parties agree to invest time, equity, and the effort for the development of a new shared product or project. Contract manufacturing, exporting, and importing. Contract manufacturing is hiring a firm. A hiring firm makes an agreement with the contract manufacturer to produce and ship the hiring firm's goods. Exporting is the practice of shipping goods from the domestic country to a foreign country. Importing, the flow of goods and services into a country's market for consumption.